Remember the days when improved document handling meant buying a high-speed multi-tray printer or a high-resolution scanner or a new turbocharged copier with twin carburetors? It was all about hardware and features, buttons and knobs and displays and all that kind of stuff. But not today. Today what matters is not features. It's distributing the right information in the right form. Most documents in contemporary offices have an active life of less than 5 minutes. Why? They're too long, or too short, or on paper when they need to be digital or vice versa, or badly timed, or indiscriminately distributed. The result is high cost, low efficiency. And it happens because someone, somewhere, has somehow tried to solve the wrong problem. The problem is not printing quality, or scanning capabilities, or copying speed. Output is, well, just output. The problem is not your capacity for creating output, or for that matter, ours. The question is not about our technological abilities. It's about your communication needs. Most organizations today already suffer from too much communication, not too little. Too much paper, too much mail, too much blah, 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 and not enough meat. Meat that needs to be removed from the bone, minus the fat. At Ricoh, we used to sell hardware, and for sure it's still an important part of what we do, but we do a lot more. Our advertising agency calls it delivering a document infrastructure for ongoing governance and improvement of information use. Let me repeat that. Delivering a document infrastructure, oh, forget it. What we do is make sure you get the right information in the right form at the right price at the right time. Right? Right. That's all you need to remember. Because we do the rest, either ourselves or by involving the very best specialist partners needed to get the job done properly. So how do we do this? By first of all, developing an understanding of your organization, your people, your needs. And then by following an 8-step process that takes us from initial understanding to full-blown partnership. Partnership with an extended time horizon based on consistently high levels of servicing. The result is a smarter, more efficient workflow that respects ecological needs and reduces your carbon footprint. An integrated approach that encourages continuous improvement in all departments. Change that begins with new ideas, develops into a new mindset, and that is then anchored in new processes, new ways of looking at document delivery. In this way, Ricoh's managed document services ensures you continue to get the right information in the right form. Or more accurately, better information in a better form. And on top of all that, it will save money and save time. Your time. Time that can be better spent on what really matters.